I the only one that didn't know the magical secret behind Weasley's wizard Wheezes? Here's the enchanting tale. It all began with two mischievous redheads, Fred and George Weasley, who turned their love for pranks into pure wizarding gold. From puking pastilles to extendable ears, they brewed up the most whimsical wonders Hogwarts had ever seen. But it wasn't just luck, oh no. These clever chaps mixed a dash of daring with a sprinkle of smarts, and voila, a shop that makes even the sternest wizards chuckle. Remember when they used their Tri-Wizard winnings to launch their dream? A true tale of turning galleons into giggles. So next time you're in Diagon Alley, pop into Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. It's not just a store, it's a magical adventure. Until next time, mischief managed.